Hey guys, Turtle Plays here, back with another voice changing video today after someone asked me to do Mandalorian. I got Mando here. I'm not very good at trying to like talk in his slight accent voice, but it's just the helmet. So if you can kind of talk like him, you can also, you have the helmet to do it as well. It's where the heck is it? Here it is. Blah blah blah. No. Here's everything you need for him. You need a noise starter, distortion, pitch, high pass, low pass, equalizer, and stereo. Yeah. Just need all those. It's quite helpful. And just to make the helmet kind of a little echoey, but still have sound like there's a radio in it. What you need for that is you're gonna need to for the Renaissance, I don't know whatever the heck that one is, for mix. You need 58 time 0, feedback 0, volume 26. And for distortion, you need mix at 22, drive at 21, volume at 100. And I don't know, just kind of distort your voice just a teeny bit to make it sound like you're in a helmet, I guess. I don't know. I just spent a little bit of time working on these, and it took me too much time. I don't like it. Pitch, mix is 100, pitch is 48, and humanize. That should be on. I don't know if it starts off or on, but it should be on. And for high pass, mix is 100. I said max. And this frequency is 54. And for low pass, you have mix at 82 and frequency at 49. And for equalizer, this is the big one. For mix, 100. Low frequency, 10. Gain low frequency, 66. Mid frequency, 84. Gain mid frequency, 85. High frequency, 31. Gain high frequency, 92. That's the big one. If you need, you can just pause and look at it here. And for stereo, it's just 4. And once you have all that stuff done, just click save. Name it if you want to. Click save. You can choose how loud you want to be in the first place. I keep mine whatever you want to do. Alright guys, and once you finish the setup, you can come in here to custom voices. Should be right here. And you can just turn the voice changer on. And if you want to hear yourself, this is the way. Where he goes, I go. Again, I'm not very good at his actual voice. You see, I just made his helmet. That's all I really did. But you can do that, and you can go onto YouTube or games that have voice in them. You can use it in different games. You just have to go into their voice settings, and you can just go down to voice, like your microphone. You can choose your microphone, and you click the microphone you're using, and it should have like a bracket or something. It says VoiceMod. You can click on that. There you go. That's your voice. And then you should be able to just click on any one of these, or you can use a custom one. There's a lot of voices in VoiceMod. You can make your own. Just little cool things you can do. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. If you want to join my Discord, there's no one in it, so it'd be great. If you want to join it, it's the link will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this helps you. If you want me to try to make any more voices, just put them down in the comment section, and I can attempt to make them. Yeah. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.